Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use paper trading on Tradingview app. So make sure you follow my script till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Tradingview app on your PC. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface of these Tradingview apps on the screen. And now you can see there is a chart of this BTC USDT as well in here. And you can see there is a arrow icon at the bottom right corner of this chart shown in the screen. So once you click on this open panel option, you need to scroll a little bit down now. And you can see there is a paper trading option in here, or you can also say it is a demo account of this Tradingview app. So once you click on this one, you simply need to connect, or you need to give a credentials in here, because I have already connected with my Tradingview app. So once you click on the connect, you will be able to use your paper trading on your Tradingview app successfully. So now you can see I have already connected my paper trading in my Tradingview app. So basically this is how you can use paper trading on your Tradingview app on a PC. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.